Yes,
Thank
sir.
you. Uh, Hello everyone. A very good morning to all. Behalf of Dattakala Group of Institutions, Faculty of Engineering, we welcome you all for today's session. A multi-faculty premier institution with highly qualified academician imparting education in different professional fields. Dattakala Shikshan Samstha is established in 2009. You are aware about the spectacular progress of Dattakala Shikshan Samstha. In short period, Dattakala Shikshan Samstha is clearly emerging as one of the leading educational institutes in rural area. This has become possible due to some of the unique features of this institution, which include a serene nature and green environment, strong labs, library, workshop, well furnished girls and boys hostel, etc. Dattakala Faculty of Engineering is situated on a picturesque hilltop with a panoramic view of Sahyadri ranges. The students have a pollution free environment where they can breathe fresh air and play on spacious play fields. The entire enchanting atmosphere is conducive to all overall the development of the student. As an educational institute, Dattakala Faculty of Engineering aims to develop three-dimensional personality in our students, pursuit of knowledge, commitment to professionalism, inculcation of values. In Dattakala Shikshan Samstha, our Honorable Professor Ramdas Zol, President of Dattakala Shikshan Samstha, ensure the highest quality of faculty who are not only highly qualified and trained but also work with the missionary zeal of shaping the student's personality. Dattakala is providing nursery to engineering, management, and pharmacy field education. Our Honorable Mrs. Maya Ramdas Zhol, ma'am, Secretary of Dattakala Shikshan Samstha, believes that the parents can repose full faith in the sincerity of purpose and devotion of the faculty for the sublime guidance bestowed on their words, and this institute is maintaining regular interaction with the industries and strives to provide suitable value additions to the curriculum to equip all students in latest managerial skills designed on intellectual rigor and a unique culture of collaborative learning. The professional programs at Dattakala prepare the students for the challenges of the new economy. Thus, our students have the unique opportunity to engage their minds with our distinguished and dedicated faculty to develop their analytical skills suitable for professional life. Our director, Honorable Dr. Sharat Karne, sir, Director of Dattakala Shikshan Samstha, always motivate the students by saying, try to climb high, wings are waiting for you. So they have already started such efforts in this direction and confidently welcome the students and promise them that entire future shall be bright if they are ready to take challenges to become successful professionals, giant leaders, entrepreneurs. We are ready to enhance their qualities which are required to be the best Indian professionals and also encourage them to face rigors in the corporate sector. So, to achieve all the goals, we are not bounded. We are established all area of the school or educations like schools, colleges, etc. You can see here, uh, we have started with the school, D pharmacy, B pharmacy, hotel management, M farm, then MBA, then Master of Engineering, Bachelors of Engineering, Polytechnic, all fields are covered. Our goals are to impart technical education to create able and competent engineers, entrepreneurship development, all round personality development, training and placement in prominent corporate and the institute in industry interaction. In our Dattakala family, we have different institutes: Dattakala Faculty of Engineering, Dattakala Faculty of Management, Dattakala Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Dattakala College of Pharmacy, Institute of Pharmaceutical Science and Research for Girls, Anusaya Institute of Pharmacy, Dattakala International School, Dattakala International School and Junior College for the State Board, then Dattakala Ideal School and Junior College, Kittur. So, what are the programs? We have total 8 programs which are divided into UG, PG and diploma. We are offers courses in diploma, civil engineering, in bachelor's, mechanical engineering, civil engineering, electrical engineering, computer engineering, ENTC engineering, and in the post graduation, computer engineering and mechanical engineering. Vision of Tattakala Faculty of Engineering: to provide preeminent educational experiences that are stimulating, respective to the needs of the present century, and prepare the students for leadership in their profession and the society, and also to address critical needs of industry and foster economic development. And the mission is to impart highest quality education to the students to build their capacity and enhancing their skills to make them globally competitive engineers, to maintain state-of-art research facilities, to provide collaborative environment that stimulates faculty, staff, and students with the opportunities to create, analyze, apply, and disseminate knowledge, to develop alliance with world-class R&D organizations, educational institutions, faculty, industry, and alumni for excellence in teaching, research, and consultancy practices, to provide the students with academic environment of excellence, leadership, ethical guidelines, and lifelong learning needed a long productive career. This is our mission. So we focus on student centric activity like training and placement, cultural events, sports activity, seminars, workshops, technical events, expert lectures, industrial visit. These are the student-centric activity we perform and so on. So what are the physical facilities available with us? Hostel facility, gymnasium, open auditorium, playground, sports facilities, then provisional stores, buses for staff and students, fire extinguishers, vehicle facility, canteens, solar water heater, power backup, common rooms, counselor service, medical facility, RO water plant, then water treatment plant. These are the facilities are available with us. So you are thinking, do you know what is the main source of gaining knowledge? Yes, library as a learning resource. So we have total number of books 3,700 volumes, a huge volumes 14,860. Then we purchased journals, that is national journals in printed form. Almost 19 journals are available with us, and many more we are going to purchase in future. Then NPTEL facility, so all the recorded lectures from eminent professor from IITs, IISc Bangalore that are available with us. Then the university syllabus, you know that SSPU, Savitribai Phule Pune University is known for the its excellence. So we provide university syllabus and previous question papers of SSPU. Then they lend a resource sharing platform. So a well-equipped library is available with us. So we'll discuss about the department. So these are the name of the faculty members in mechanical engineering. Our Professor S.S. Katare sir, he's heading the department. Professor Y.S. Andare, myself only, assistant. I'm working as assistant professor and training and placement officer. Then Professor B.R. Warkunde sir, assistant professor. He's taking care of CAD/CAM lab. He knows all the CAD/CAM related softwares, 3D softwares, simulation softwares. I will discuss it later on. What kind of preparation it needs in your journey of 4 years. Professor J.A. Sodal, assistant professor. Professor V.T. Rathod, assistant professor. Professor H.G. Dadav, Professor V.R. Malve, Professor S.B. Mane. These are some glimpses of our laboratories of mechanical departments: MQC lab, heat transfer lab, CAD/CAM lab, and dynamic of machinery lab. So all the equipments are there in the labs. These are some glimpses where the students are performing practicals in CAD/CAM lab, heat transfer lab, theory of machine, and dynamic of machinery lab. So activities we conduct in the department in mechanical: poster presentation, then personality development, guest lectures, robo race, soft skill development. Okay, these are the activities were done in the department. Then next is civil engineering. The Professor N.A. Gaude sir is heading the department. Then Professor K. Sharma, Professor A.P. Shetge, Professor A.A. Bermude, Professor Y.P. Mandre. Laboratories of civil department: surveying lab, engineering mechanics lab, chemistry lab, geology lab. There are some glimpses that students are performing practicals: survey lab, geotechnical lab, strength of materials, environmental lab. Departmental activities. You can see the glimpse: Teachers Day, then other workshops, conferences, the department will conduct. Then computer engineering department, Professor A.S. Rajpure sir heading the department, Professor S.S. Bere, then Professor S.N. Dage sir, then Professor Mrs. T.A. Madane ma'am, then Professor Mrs. S.A. Kadam ma'am, then Professor V.B. Deokate, then Professor P.H. Nagre. These are some glimpses of laboratories of computer engineering department. Similarly, the activities done in the computer engineering, the NSS activity, RoboRace, then other workshops related to your softwares. Then electrical engineering department, Professor A.V. Golande sir heading the department, Professor S.S. Bhosle, Professor T.V. Kadam, Professor M.S. Tamboli ma'am, Professor M.S. Mrs. N.S. Omase ma'am, then Professor S.H. Mane, Professor P.A. Kodke, Professor H.S. Auzert. These are some glimpses of electrical department, laboratories, electrical machine lab, electrical machine tool lab, software lab, control system lab. Then you are talking about the how we are conducting or how we are conducting the semester wise lectures, practicals, then workshops. What are the activities we are conducting? It's related to the industry. That means you guys are learning the theoretical knowledge in the class, but you should actually visit the industry, and you need to see how they are performing the task. Okay, how they are they are implementing the theoretical knowledge into the practically. Okay, so you can learn from the industry, and then you can prepare your project your own. Then international conference. Okay, so whatever the in third year or final year you are doing some mini project, or you are doing your final projects, so you need to present that whatever work you have done, that work you need to present it. So we conduct the international conferences. You can present your work in our conferences. And meanwhile, other college staff and university staff, they also participate in conference. So you can gain the knowledge from these faculty members also, or persons also. Environmental business, the conduct green audit of campus, dust proof pavement, sprinklers and drip irrigation system to save the water. Institute has the celebrated No Vehicles Day. Optimal utilization of printout papers is emphasized. Dry batteries to reduce the lead emission. The most important is thing, collaborations. So we have almost 10 MOUs with eminent industries, Aspire Knowledge and Skills, JK Soft Tech Solutions, Santech Soft, Microcare Computer System, CAD/CAM Guru, Anuraj Electricals, Jagdamba Construction, Matoshri Developers, Edge Developers, and one of the college, that Pravara College of Engineering. So we have total 10 MOUs in that 9 industries and 1 college. Then our recruiters, IBM, TCS, Cipla, Wipro, IDBI Intake, Vodafone, Reliance, Piaggio, Bharat Forge, Relation Group, Carco. These are our recruiters. The student training and placement. So most important thing. So once you complete your bachelor's, definitely you are searching for jobs. So these are our rising stars, or our alumni of Dattakala Group of Institutions, Faculty of Engineering. Rohan Suryavanshi, he's working with IBM. Manohar Chenna working with IBM. Rajole Rishikesh, he's working with Vodafone. Kuldeep Pawar, Select Solution. Sujit Raut, working with TCS. Prajjot Sapa, DIS. Sumar Thorat, Reliance. Sagar Kasare works, India Private Limited. Then Krishna Kakade, they works with TCS. Then Avinash Shekar, IDBI. Chaudhary Ashwini, Lean Quality. Then Vinasana, Financial Technologies. Suhas Kakade, work with Wipro. So these are the our students who's working with the eminent industries. So we have extra activities in that National Service Scheme activities (NSS). So in that yoga day, blood donation camp, tree plantation, road safety awareness program. These are the activities done under the NSS. So these are the media coverage. कला अभियांत्रिकी महाविद्यालयामध्ये अभियांत्रिकी दिन, that is there whatever the activities done in the college that will public, or it will be you can see activities, extra sports activities, cultural activities, and teacher day, engineers day, that all